walk order. From within EliteApps, you'll now be able to see on your activities the walk order. If you navigate to one of your jobs, there is a new field called Walk Order under the Job Information. In addition, when looking at your jobs list, from the View selectable, you now have My Jobs Walk Order. This will sort your jobs into walk order, meaning you can complete them methodically as you walk around the park. Sorting your activities via the walk order is also available on your meter reading entries, your site tasks, your safety tests, and your housekeeping activities.